Hey guys, today's quick tip is all about making marketing plans for your new listings. Obviously, we use the doors presentation when we market a property and we talk about all the different ways we're going to market the property, but it's always good to have an actual plan. And what you really need is to have an actual plan of the steps you're going to take when you list the property. Your steps should not be taking photos of the property, putting it in the MLS, and then hoping people start scheduling showings. You need a more in-depth plan than that. That's what this allows you to do. This plan is on the drive. It is under WRCOK office planning, and then you'll see the marketing plans. You'll see other people's are in here. Please make a copy before editing. Let me show you how to do that real quick. So you just come up here. This is the one that says make copy before editing. I'm going to go to file, make a copy, and I can change it to my name here. I'm going to change it to quick tip so we know where it came from. I'm going to take off copy. So it's going to look like that. Your name would go here where it says quick tip, like I'd put Mitch. I'm going to click make a copy. Then I'm going to X out of the one that says make copy before editing so I don't accidentally edit the wrong one. I can look here at the top and see that I'm in the right one that I'm editing. It says quick tip up here. And even if I didn't want everyone else in the company to be able to see it, I could even take this and move it back just to my personal drive by taking it out of WRCOK office and just moving here to my drive. So then it's just my own plan that sits on my drive that I know I've always got. But there's two tabs here. The plan. So this is kind of the overview, pre-MLS, pre-contract, and then pre-closing of the stuff we're going to do. But this is the real valuable page in terms of setting up your marketing for a listing. And it takes you through the 10 days, starting with T-7, which is basically putting it in the MLS date, -7. So a week before you put it in the MLS. This is the day that you're meeting with the people, getting the listing agreement signed, saying, we're going to advise on any changes and get everything set up. We're going to order professional photos 2 days later once we know what our target date is for photos. We're going to coordinate the photo shoot 2 days before we list the property. Then we're going to order our just listed mailers for the neighborhood the day before we list. When we get the photos back, hopefully that next day. So theoretically, this should be your photos on a Wednesday. You get the photos back Thursday. You order your mailers Thursday. And then we're even going to put some photo teasers coming soon on Thursday in that 24-hour rule before it hits the MLS. We're going to post the property in the MLS. Then we're going to start a whole nother set of marketing, including putting a sign in the yard, automatically syndicating over to over 400 websites through the MLS and through Weichert. We're going to talk about posting social media content, sending listing info through my Weichert to all these different groups, door knocking the neighborhood, promoting our open house, posting social media, promoting the open house, conducting our 2 open houses in that first weekend. And then we're going to follow up with agents and buyers that saw the property on that Monday, compile marketing stats, and then we're going to send a full marketing update to our sellers on that Monday. And this really sets up the rhythm of each Monday. I'm going to give you a review. You know, we don't have listings lasting that long right now, but in a normal market, listings are going to last at least 30 days. So you're going to have Monday listing updates that you need to be prepared for. So this gives everybody a really good schedule. It's something I leave with people at my listing appointment and say, here's the plan for the next 10 days to know that I'm not just getting photos, throwing it in the MLS and putting a sign in the yard and hoping that this thing sells. So use this plan, customize it to your own liking, and even to specific properties. Rural properties, you're probably going to do some slightly different things. So you can add that to your list here just by simply inserting a line and adding another item. But this gets everybody on the same page and can keep you out of trouble and show your sellers how hard you're working for them. Use this marketing plan. See you guys in the next quick tip.